Guys, back on our show on 1,000 Ways to
Make money.
So 1,000 Ways to Make Money, episode number 3. This is going to be the easiest one. You guys have heard of it, but we just want to go ahead and let you guys know that as long as you own a car, vehicle, truck, old, new, whatever, you can actually make some money from, doing carpool, car sharing,
Ubering,
delivering. So
picking
it up. So like Uber, Lyft.
Yes.
There's what? DoorDash.
There's Doordash. There's Postmate.
There is something Eats.
There's Uber Eats. There's so many. There's like every company now wants to do something where you turn your car into some type of delivery, taxi, something like that, so you can make money.
And if you don't have a car, Uber is actually, letting people. You have to sign up. You have to do finance. They'll even help you get a car.
Exactly.
So if you don't have a car, they'll actually help you get a car, and you'll be making payments from your earnings. You'll be making profit. They'll even go ahead and you'll get to do tax write-offs.
Yes, tax write-offs. All the mileage that you're driving is a write-off. Your gas paid for by some of these companies. They'll pay for your gas. I mean, it's really, really, really good. If you have that free time, you have a car. And you're ready to drive.
So for driving, it's Uber, Lyft. Is there anything else?
I think that's it. That's the two major ones.
Those are the major ones. They are pretty much in every major country.
Yeah, major country, major cities. They're pretty much everywhere these days.
Everywhere, yeah.
You could be in the middle of nowhere and call it Uber.
Which one is more popular? Uber.
Uber is more popular.
Uber is more popular, but I've seen that a lot of riders, they do both.
Yes.
Lyft and Uber at the same time. So that way, they're never wasting their time driving. They're always getting a client.
Yeah.
So they have a Lyft and the Uber sticker on their thing, and they're doing both. Okay,
yeah.
That's the thing. And how much money do these people make? In about average. So on a trip, let's say a trip, most of the time you'll make good money if you're doing an airport trip.
Yes.
But airport trip usually from our office, it'll cost about $50, and Uber keeps almost more than a half. Or a little 50%, depends on how long you've been driving with them and all that stuff, but you'll keep about $20-$25 in your pocket. It gets deposited to your bank account directly automatically, so you'll get that. So those are driving ones. And there's Uber Eats and DoorDash, and
there's Postmate.
Postmate, they deliver food. So pretty much, let's say today I'm hungry, I didn't bring my lunch today, I didn't, and I go to DoorDash.com and I order food. And what happens is that some guy, it could be you, will go to the restaurant, get my food, bring it to me. Now you'll get paid in two ways. So number one way, no, not Uber, DoorDash will pay you some sort of fee, and you'll also get a tip. So a tip is entirely yours. So if I decide like, hey, I'm in a good mood, I'm gonna give you $5. So for that quick delivery, you make $5 from me. You'll also make money from DoorDash.
Yep.
You also get money for mileages, things like those.
Yes.
So keep that in mind. And I've seen, I don't know if Uber does it anymore, but they used to also offer discounts for phone service. So as long as you work for Uber, and let's say you have T-Mobile or AT&T, you would be able to get discounts.
Yes.
And keep in mind, when you do these kind of work, you can always write off your car payments. If you fix something on the car, your gas money, everything. So keep in mind, you're gonna save a lot of money when the tax season comes up. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, and guys, it's super simple. All you need to do is go on one of these websites, Uber, Lyft, or
become
DoorDash,
a driver.
Click become a driver, fill out their form, and next thing you know, you might be approved by, before you even hit X.
Yeah, so it does take about 24 hours usually, because they do
verify your background
check. So if you have been in a lot of violation, they'll probably not approve you. So you have to be a decent, of course, right? So I wouldn't trust somebody, random person driving me. So they're gonna do a criminal background check. So if you've been to jail and felony, next video please.
Or the previous video.
It's okay. We don't hate you. I'm just giving you upfront news. So if you have been into some criminal, if you have been smoking marijuana and a cop caught you, might have, what do they get, felonies?
Yeah, it depends how much you get caught with.
But you might have felonies. So in that case, don't even bother applying, because they'll reject you. You must have a clean record. Tickets here and there is fine, okay?
Yeah.
If you ran a red light a few months ago, a couple years, that's okay.
Fine, yep.
Just nothing serious, okay? Keep that in mind. You do need to have your insurance.
Yes.
Insurance. And
You have a valid driver's license.
valid driver's license. You can't just get a car and start doing it. So, yeah. And
But you know, it's less hassle. You don't have to do research or worry about anything.
Yeah.
Just get in your car and drive. Like
drive. So you'll be
probably
sitting
do
down
every day.
and then you get a little message saying, hey, someone needs a driver.
Yeah.
Get out, drive, the other person, make some money.
Yeah.
And you know, you might even get a ride, you know, when you go drop that person off, someone might be needing a ride at that place and make money. And best part about this is, you know, you can actually work all night long. And that's actually when you make the most money, because
Yes.
in the daytime, the prices are cheaper because there's so many drivers.
Uh-huh.
At night, you know, usually after midnight,
Yeah.
the airport trip,
Yes.
it starts becoming
It
$100
doubles to triples
like
depending
120.
on what time.
Once I paid 120 to go to airport from my house to the airport. I paid 120 at about 2 or 3 a.m. Of course, I get it because you can't find taxis at that time, and less Uber drivers are driving at that time. So
Exactly.
they up the price and you make more money. So yeah, go do driving. If you know driving, you can do this. So that was number 3 on 1,000 ways to make money. Make sure to always click on that link. You'll get that link, and if you click on that link, make sure to subscribe to us on our email newsletter, because keep in mind, we discuss even more ways to make money on our newsletter fans. This is just a basic 10% of what we do. So subscribe to us on YouTube, subscribe to us on Facebook, all that stuff, but especially the newsletter on our website. Do that today, and that's it. Bye-bye.